Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO A8 and let me share with you how to update the apps on this device. So first of all, make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required, and then let's enter the Play Store. Be aware because you will be able to follow all of my steps if you've got your Google account added to the device. If not, you can either do it right now in the Play Store, or you can check our tutorial of how to do it using a different section in this device. So let's enter this circle in the right upper corner, which is your account, and enter Manage Apps and Device. Then let's tap on Manage, and here updates are available. Here we've got the list of apps which can be updated. So basically just mark those which you'd like to update. Of course you can update all of those apps. I'll choose simply Facebook and then tap on this update icon in the right upper corner. And now your device will download the updates, and after that they will be successfully installed and automatically updated. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.